Tasting room. We can try all our delicious sodas from around the world. Ooh. All right, folks. Now, there was one artifact that was shown during the game that just so happens to be our oldest one in the room. If you can spot it, it's somewhere in this glass case. If you're looking right here. Which one? Right there. You're going to the plate? All right, that's option one. What about any more? I think one more. This one? All right, good job. What do you think? Which one? The truck? All right, we have one for the trucks here. All right, folks, good job. Now, clap your hands if you think it was this one. All right, clap your hands if you think it's one of these trucks right here. All right. Clap your hands if you think it was the plates. All right, well, folks, those are really good answers. And the final answer was this one right over here. Yeah, good job.
I saw the real Spider-Man.
Oh, sorry. This place is a little crowded. Taste or mix. Okay, let's see what we can get. Let's see what we can get. Spicy Coke. Oh, spicy. Sweet. Maybe not great.
Oh, it is. Yeah. These guys are so sneaky.
Oh, sorry.
Watch out, Bailey.
Oh,
Watch out.
sorry.
She's looking at the camera.
It's okay. Oh, excuse me.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
And initiated me into the mysteries of the secret formula. He showed me no written rules. He did not allow containers of grease under the legs identified it by sight, smell, and remembering where each was on the shelf.
This way.
My father's advice several times and how it was immediately extracted. You check to see that it used.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
You're fine.
So here I am at the Coca-Cola Museum. No, it's a Coca-Cola factory. I'm here to try some stony ginger beer from Tanzania. So, that's some ginger beer, all right. That's some ginger beer. It's a stony ginger beer from Tanzania. Ooh,
Yeah.
that is intense.
You like it?
I'm gonna try some others right here. Try something from Sweden. Okay, this is Legionberry from Sweden. Ooh, it's different flavors. This one's actually a bit fruity. Very fruity. Very fruity. It's like juice. It's like juice. It's like fruit juice. But, okay, here's a Delaware Punch from Honduras. Okay, it's Delaware Punch from Honduras. It's like juice. It's like grape juice. All right, let's see what else we got here. We got Sparletta from Zimbabwe. I think Zimbabwe. Let me pull it up here. I'm not sure you can pronounce that, but that's what it says. Zimbabwe. Excuse my pronunciation. I can't pronounce that name. But anyway, let's try it. Bit tart. Yeah, it's a bit tart and sweet at the same time. All right, let's try a Melon Frosty from Thailand. Oh, Thailand. I always want to go there. Okay, here's a Melon Frosty from Thailand. Let's see what it tastes like. Very interesting. It tastes like a melon. It's like a melon. It's like a melon. All right, it's Beverly. So what's the last one from Italy? Ooh, it's like Sprite, but clear. But let's see how it tastes. Okay. Out of all the flavors, I think Beverly is the best one. Beverly's the best one. I have to admit, this is actually smoother and tastier, and definitely the best one so far. I've already know what the North America one is like at Fanta Brew Raspberry. But anyway, Beverly's the best one so far. I think Coca-Cola should have released this in stores, the Beverly one, in stores in America too. Best one. Best one right there. It's got like a smooth, crisp taste. Smooth, crisp taste right there. Definitely good. I tried all the flavors that are on here, and stuff, and they're all good. But I think the best one is the Beverly one. The best one.
Which one?
The Beverly one.
Oh,
That's from Italy. Italy. Okay, I'm gonna try some more here.
well, it's special.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's good. Yeah, it's really.
Okay, here's another one. It's called Coca-Cola from Peru. So this is Inca Cola. Keep the mask off so I'm gonna try it. Alright, here you go. Inca Cola. Sweet. Definitely too sweet. Inca Cola is very sweet. It is very sweet indeed. It's very sweet. It's like cream soda, a little bit sweeter. So that was Inca Cola from Peru. So yeah, I would still say Beverly is the best in my opinion. Okay. So let's go on to the other ones. So I've seen our flavor is called Barleto's Angus Frescas Pear and Cucumber, which contains 5 messages. Let's see how it tastes. So this is it right here. That's how it tastes. It's not bad, but it's not really that fizzy. It's just like a pear straight. I taste more pear than cucumber. Honestly, it's not that bad. It's not really that bad. Okay, we got Aquarius Liberty from Spain. Let's see what that one is.
Which one are you gonna try?
This is Aquarius Liberty from Spain. Spain.
Good too.
Okay.
This one's apple. We have that one in Mexico.
That one's really good.
You want to taste another one?
It's got like a Gatorade taste to it. It's like a Gatorade. It's like a Gatorade taste to it.
Very good.
This one?
Not bad, not bad. So not bad.
That is real good.
All right, we got here Royal from the Philippines. Royal from Philippines, watermelon. Let's see what it tastes.
It's apple.
Ooh, ooh, too much carbonation. A little too much carbonation. This one. The watermelon, I can taste it, but a little too much carbonation right there.
Here, this is your cup.
It's a little sparkling to my throat. Okay. All right, Mezzo Mix from Germany. Mezzo Mix from Germany. Definitely, it's got like an orange hint to it. It's got like an orange hint to it. Very smooth, very smooth. All right. Bonbon Angelus. Like I said, I'm not good at pronouncing this kind of words from Madagascar. All right, let's try Madagascar Coke. All right, this is Bonbon Angelus. If I was saying it wrong, let me know in the comments section. Very weird taste, especially for a soda. Very interesting. Very interesting. It tastes like just like Inca Cola. Very interesting. All right, last one. Fanta Apple. I never apple Fanta. Let's see how it tastes. So it's apple soda Fanta, okay? Crisp, smooth, and yeah, apple. It's apple juice and carbonated. Okay. Okay, this one's Bon Claw from Germany. Apfel Bernie. Once again, I'm terrible at these words they're putting on here. But his Bon Claw from Germany. Alright, so Bon Claw from Germany. Very smooth and just very smooth. It's just like Sprite, but a little bit more smoother than Sprite. So we got apple and pear taste. Yes, it's apple pear. And I believe it's called Weaning Colensure. Once again, I'm terrible at pronouncing that. But let me, sorry. But here it is right here. From Germany. There it is. Used tea from Venezuela. So we're going to try this one. Once again, take your mask off. You know, it's mandatory here. Ooh, mango tea. It's actually mango tea. Okay, that's Venezuela. Okay, so yeah. Okay, you're trying thumbs up from India. It's a thumbs up from India. That's how it tastes. That's like Pepsi, but a little bit more Pepsi, but more carbonation. It's like Pepsi, a little bit more carbonation to it. I mean, that's thumbs up. Yeah, thumbs up right there. I mean, that's different. Whew. All right, got a country club from Dominican Republic. It's like an orange soda. Let's see what it tastes. It's like the Inca Cola from Peru. It's like that, a little sweet, very sweet, like cream soda. All right, we got here is it's pretty good. What we got here is Fanta from Costa Rica. Costa Rica. I want to go there. Whew, a little too much. Okay, here we go. Very fizzy indeed. That's very fizzy. Very interesting taste. Very interesting. That's Colita. Say it with me, Colita. Fanta Colita from Costa Rica. Pretty good. Not bad. Not bad. Let's see if there's any more around here.